let's get back on track. We're going to do a nice little opening kind of introduction lap to keep the tires up at the same time. And we'll keep it going from there. Now, like I was mentioning, the brake zones, we're going to kind of grab them a tad bit earlier. That way we could slow down the mass of that car. So it's a 5,000-pound car. And a lot of people don't realize the weight and how it pivots and how it shifts. But it's going to give you the feel of a 911, which is really weird because it's all electric, but it handles very good. Lighting stays the same. We still want to aim for the blue cone. Staying wide on track. Pulling the brakes up really. The brakes are still PCCDs, the Porsche carbon ceramics, which are very, very well behaved. It does have rear axle steer, so the rear tires are steering with the front tires, which makes the cornering feel amazing in these cars. Speed here. Also the regenerate braking here too. That once you get off the gas pedal, you can feel the regen, and it feels like a normal gas-powered car when you step off the pedal. It's really cool. It doesn't feel like you're slamming on the brakes. It feels like a normal release of the throttle, which is really cool. And that first 10% pressure of brakes are the actual motor slowing you down. Past that, you actually get the brakes to come off. So it's another cool thing the Taycan does. You can say brakes that way too. Go smooth left here. Speed to the right. Well, the brakes early here. Got a little bit of traffic in front of us. Come all the way around. Same line. I like coming out wide, then dive down low. Then we're staying left. We're going to pick up our speed here. Go a little bit quicker. We're going to grab the brakes a little bit early. We're going to steer right. We're back on the heavy brakes. The car just nice and smooth and pressed through the corners. It's very fun. We're going to steer left, a little bit of throttle. Huge brakes here. Steer nice, smooth right. Vision to the right, then vision to the left. The blue cone on the left side. Hug it. Get close. Slow speed, big power. Light brakes. Let her flow into the corner. Then speed. Nice, straight, big brakes. Now focusing on that blue cone on the exit. I know it's far, but just look through the corner here. Smooth hands. And nice, big power. Loves to kind of compress the car a little bit, but she kind of absorbs them with her suspension. Airbag. Really cool. Smooth left. Wait for your throttle. Straight through. Big power here. And then we're going to grab big brakes. Tap a little bit early. Hold. Slow release. Steady gas. I should be saying power because we're not using gas. So power. Hard brake. All the way to the right. Wait for your throttle. Start building. Start going. Start squeezing. Keep it going. Light little brakes. Steady gas to stabilize. And then heavy brakes. You can kind of feel the rear axle steer there, kind of doing her part. Easy, right? Squeezing. Taking it at the plus speed. Big heavy brakes. About doing 90 down there, and that's insane for the quickness. Easy, right? Steady left. Speed. Head brake. The car want to go left, but you're going right. Tires doing their job. Thanks, speed. Let alone these tires are slow tires. You feel great. Easy, right? Stock car, nothing done, no performance line. Real cool. Speed to the left. Speed to the right. Light brake at the top. Hold up and over. Release now. Steady gas. Get close to that white line. Good gas. Let the tires down. Don't kill those. You know. Hard brake. Really feel the car car compressing their load here. Wait for your throttle. 3, 2, 1. Power. Early brakes. Nice right. Hard brake again. Aggressive brake here. Easy right. Slow. Smooth. Throttle. 3, 2, 1. Early brakes. Big pressure. Slow it down. Easy right. Steady. Smooth. Compress the chassis here. Nice and easy. Power. Brake. Nice right. I know there's a yellow 911 in front of us here. Now looking out for us. Moving speed. Got bigger brakes here. Bigger brakes. Easy gas. Here we got one more lap in us here. So smooth all the way around. Steady speed. Light little brake up and over. Power. Big brake. Smooth left. Power. Brake. Easy right. Wait for your throttle. And there you go. Smooth. Nice right. Heavy brake. Smooth head. Easy power. Big brake. Nice right. Speed. Brake. Easy head. Your smooth throttle. Big brake. Easy gas all the way around. Power up. Right brake. Up to the right. We're going to slow things down here. We're going to tie in right behind this black 911 here. Great work, man. Unfortunately, we're going to have to slow things down already. That's our kind of mandatory cool down lap period, which is right now. So we're going to take a few easy laps, getting some air in our system and the brakes. Fantastic work, dude. It's really fun. These Taycans are super sick. I mean, electric car doing this, like, come on, like, that's so cool. But, yeah, we're going to do one lap kind of cruising. I'm going to give you a little bit of radio silence. Just stay right behind me, and I'm going to come back to you when we're going to exit here. So just stick right behind me here and just follow me.
Try to do 24 miles an hour for that first kick, and then we'll do the same thing. A few runs with it off.
Okay.
And then a few runs with it on.
Okay.
You're clear. Let's try it out. A lot quieter in this car.
Yeah.
Like nothing. It's almost immediate. Let's go for 28.
28?
Yes, sir. Eyes up at the orange. Steady hands. Get it. All right. It's time on the brakes. For it being an icy road and it being a heavy car.
That's great ABS.
Good ABS.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's roll. Back on throttle. Say like 28 again. Let's see how she feels with no traction. There you go. Roll off. Here we go.
Whew.
Yeah,
a little different.
Now slam on the brakes. Same brakes.
Yeah,
traction
feels great
on.
still.
Give it some power. Off. little steer left off the gas. There's that pivot. Then you back up. So left. Then we'll steer her out. You can just see it go.
So
It's
this,
a 2-speed.
I was just gonna say, so it's a
I don't know if you
2-speed.
just felt that, but there's
Yeah.
the first gear is super long. At about 60, that's when the second one comes in. And that's why you can get that real good 0 to 60 time out of the turbos here.
Yeah.
Where some cars have a very short first gear or no gear at all. We have 2 gears in this car. Give me full brake, full throttle, and I'll tell you go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Nice speed. Keep going. Keep going. And brakes. Even when they're turning, you can stay on the brakes, and that felt great.
Yeah.
Again, I didn't look off the brake. Steady gas.
It's so balanced.
It feels good, right?
Yeah.